How to connect ENGOs to your Apple Watch. You can also connect ENGO directly to an Apple Watch to run or ride without the need to carry or be connected to your iPhone. To get started, if you have not already done so, make sure your ENGOs and Apple Watch devices are updated to the most current firmware. You can check for iPhone and Apple Watch updates in Settings on your iPhone. If an update is available for your ENGOs, you will automatically be prompted when you open the Active Look app on iOS. If an update is available, the download and installation process will take a minute or two depending on your network connection speed. This part is important. Once the update is complete, you must force close the Active Look app on your iPhone. This is necessary to disconnect ENGO from your iPhone, as ENGO can only connect to one device at a time. Next, you need to download the Active Look app to your Apple Watch. For many Apple users, this will happen automatically when you install the Active Look app for iOS. If you do not see the Active Look app in your Apple Watch, you must manually install the app directly from the App Store on the Apple Watch. Next, open the Active Look app on your Apple Watch. This is important. The first time you launch the app, you will be prompted to authorize Active Look to access location, heart rate, and Bluetooth data on your device. Make sure all switches are toggled to the on position, only then click yes. If you accidentally skip this step, you will need to close and relaunch the app to complete this step, or change the authorizations in your smartphone's settings. Now it's time to connect your ENGOs with your Apple Watch. First, turn on your ENGOs. Next, open the Active Look application from your Apple Watch. Tap the Eyewear icon on the main screen to scan for available eyewear. When prompted, click your model number to enable pairing. The same number will be displayed on your ENGO screen. You may need to put them on to see. When the connection is successful, you will see a yellow checkmark on the Apple Watch and a Ready message displayed on your ENGOs. Next, follow the prompts to configure your display preferences. Pick 6 preferred metrics: distance, time, speed, running cadence, running pace, heart rate, altitude, and elevation are just a few examples of what is available. When selecting your preferred data fields, consider your individual training and competition priorities. For example, if you're training with intervals based on time and heart rate, you might configure one screen to highlight elapsed time and heart rate, and then configure a second screen to show cadence and distance for use in competition. With so many data types available, the right configuration is based on your individual preferences and priorities. Next, set a target for your workout. Select your sport, running or cycling. Tap an option to define a target for your session. Choose time, distance, calories, or free. Use the plus or minus buttons or the crown to adjust your target. Now, you can tap Go to start your workout session anytime. Finally, configure your data screens. Swipe the home screen to display the settings screen to the left. Select your sport under Data Fields header, running or cycling. Select one of 2 available data options. Tap within the first rectangular field and choose your data type from the drop-down list. Repeat this step for the next 2 fields. When you're done with your edits, tap Validate. When an Active Look session is live, you can now toggle between the selected data fields by tapping the Apple Watch face or using the touchless gesture control located on your Eyewear. At this point, you are ready to start a session. Your ENGOs will automatically connect to your Apple Watch when turned on, and the Active Look app is launched. This completes the basic connection and setup process. You can go back into settings in the Apple Watch or Active Look app at any time to change preferences.